Morning, guys. It is currently 8:08 in the morning and we're getting ready to take the infamous Candy to Ella train. The only thing is that there's no direct train like there usually is today, so we have to stop somewhere in the middle for an hour and then transfer over to a different train that's gonna take us to Ella. Yeah, we're in Candy right now. I think that the first train is only gonna ride for about 3 hours, and then we're gonna be able to get off the train there, wait an hour, maybe we can eat or something, and then we are taking the train from there to Ella's. This train ride is actually the most scenic in Sri Lanka. So yeah, pretty excited today. Nico's phone fell in water this morning, so he has no phone. And yeah, it's supposed to be a long journey, like 8 hours, I think, with the stop, maybe 9 hours. We're just waiting for the train. It's 8:10 and the train's supposed to be here in a few minutes, so. Altogether, we ended up paying 5,800 Sri Lankan rupees for this journey, and I want to say that's like $20. $9 per person. Yeah, $9 a person. So altogether, 5,800 Sri Lankan rupees. And we actually bought our tickets yesterday because we were advised to buy it the day before, and I think it's the best decision we could have made. The first train, we're going to be second class, and then the second train, we're going to be third class. It's not the first train we've taken in Sri Lanka. The first train we actually took from Colombo to Sigiriya, and that was about a couple hours actually. It was a long train ride. I don't exactly remember how long it was, but it was pretty long. And yeah, we were in third class, and honestly, we had no complaints. It was top notch. We were with the locals, and we had the windows open, and it was a vibe in there. So yeah, no complaints about that. Currently 8:12 now, and we're still waiting for the train, but hopefully it gets here soon. Okay, the train just got here. We're about to get on. I was about 5 minutes late, but it's here, and we're ready to go.
42 and 43, one here, one here.
Oh, okay. That's what we were waiting for. Because I guess they unlocked it now. G6 and G5. 5 and 6. Okay, so I think the only difference between, this is a completely different train than the first train we were on, but I think that the only difference between first and second class is maybe the comfort between the seats. So like we have these seats, and they're way more comfortable than the other seats that we have. And now we're ready for the ride. Train's been stopped for like half an hour at this station. Don't really know what's going on. We do have to transfer trains at a different station, so I'm thinking that because we've been stopped here for so long, we only have like an hour layover or an hour turnover between the two trains. We might miss the second train, unless that one's delayed too. But no one's like made an announcement or anything as to what's going on. So I guess we just wait. Okay, I think it's getting ready to take off. we've been stopping at every station for about 20 to 30 minutes. You can see Nico's face how he feels about it, but yeah, this is a very slow and long, that's what I meant to say. This is a very slow and long train ride, and so far the views have been just average. I mean, they are beautiful, like they kind of look like farmland and stuff, but I'm still not sure what the big deal is. So hopefully, I read online that the better views are from here on to Ella. So yeah, halfway through is the more scenic part of the journey. So hopefully that's true, but for now, we just keep waiting here. We just keep waiting at these stations for 20-30 minutes. We're actually at the stop that we were told to get off at. I'm not sure why the ticket agent yesterday told us that there was no direct train to Ella today, but apparently the train conductor just said that this train is going to Ella, so we don't have to transfer, and they're going to honor our second ticket. I don't know what happened with the ticket agent yesterday, but clearly he was misinformed or something. I don't know. He looked up in the computer whether there was a train to Ella or not, and he was like, there's no direct train, you're going to have to go here, transfer over, and then connect over, take the other train to Ella. So yeah, really weird, but we actually ended up getting off the train and now we're back on the train, so we're going to Ella. It's patience, my friends, patience. Okay, I think like while we're stuck here, we're gonna go get something to drink.
What is this number? X2, right?
Yeah, we're gonna go get something to drink while we're here, because I want to be in Ella. I'm tired. There's a vending cart. We even got beer. They sell beer on the train too, so that works out perfect for Nico. It looks like Vietnam, Germany. Okay, so they actually stopped the train and let you off for a short period of time at this really incredible viewpoint. And I mean, we are so high in elevation. Holy crap. I'll show you guys right now. I think it's like 8 or 9 hours later. I think closer to 9 hours. And we're finally here. Ella. Nico looks rough. Okay, we are starved and we're gonna go get something to eat. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.